Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Maria Luisa threw the plate of food on the floor and, with the help of her brother, made Alexa eat there, as if it were an animal. "Starving pickups like you shouldn't be in the boss's dining room," said Maria Luisa, as the other girl tearfully ate what she could pick up off the floor. Everything begins there. When Maria Luisa's mother married her boyfriend, called Mario, she was 19 years old. Well, Mario had a 13-year-old girl named Alexa and a 15-year-old boy named Jonathan. The condition of Maria Luisa's mother was getting worse day by day. She travels for treatment and left her little girl with her husband and daughters. Maria lived with her parents until they separated because her father was addicted. The mother loved her daughter very much. She married Mario because she thought that he was the right person who would take care of her daughter, but things did not go well. Mario preferred his children to Maria, and things got worse when the mother fell ill and left for treatment. The girl suffers from Alexa and Jonathan's harassment at home. And although she was telling her stepfather to intervene, Mario was threatening her if she complained again, which made the poor girl suffer in silence. The two brothers annoyed Maria Luisa at school, and there the children noticed that Maria was affected by the words of her half-siblings, which made them mock her as well. The girl became bullying all the time inside the school, and she wished that her mother would come to defend her as before, but there was no one standing by her side. The bullying that the girl suffered greatly affected her studies, and she became absent from the class and got poor results, despite the fact that she's a very smart girl, according to the professors who teach her. When the housemaid, Margarita, who works in Mario's house, noticed that the girl Maria was being wronged by his children, she intervened when the father was absent, and she threatened them if they continued to mock her. Months later, Maria Luisa's mother passed away, which shocked her because she was alone in the world. The girl became completely unwanted at home, and she barely got food. And she was fortunate that Margarita was stealing some food for the poor girl, and she also gives her some money. When the maid Margarita noticed that the girl had become completely uncomfortable with these boys and their father, Mario, she decided to take her to live with her. She became officially adopted by Mario, but she actually lives with the maid. Over years, she studied medicine and eventually graduated from the medical institute with good grades and became a medical doctor at the city hospital. One day, Maria Luisa received a call from Mario and his children and told her to come immediately to their house. At first, Maria refused to participate in that meeting, but the lawyer asked her to sit down because the matter was so important. The lawyer said that he had a will that Maria Luisa's grandmother left after her death, but Maria Luisa did not know that her grandmother was alive because she lived in Brazil after her mother married Mario, and Mario never told her about her grandmother. When the lawyer took out the will and read it, it became clear that all of the mother's property was left to her daughter, Maria, and that she left nothing for Mario and his children, which shocked them all. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.